So my name is Andrius, I'm from Vainius, Lithuania. I'm a physicist working as a field service engineer. I've been doing this for the past 7 or 8 years. When I found out about this program, we were super excited to actually participate in it because it's the best of both worlds. We can have a trip to Finland, visit Finland, and then again learn something about job culture here and the job prospects here. And all the while being here together as a family. So this is really an amazing opportunity.
I'm Viktorija. I work at life technology field. I've been working here for 10 years. Now I'm working as a manufacturing scientist and currently I am on maternity leave. I was really excited coming here because it was kind of break of my maternity leave and going into my professional life, so I was really happy for that.
I don't think I've learned a single thing which is not appealing. So that's a really nice thing. Basically everything about working life here sounds really great.
And for me it's very interesting when he comes from the company and tells me what he saw and what is interesting thing he found there. So I enjoy that part also.
Yeah, and I'm like, it's so interesting, it's so cool, what do you do? And she's like, whoa, okay. What I find very enjoying, and on the other hand, a bit of disappointing at this moment, and that's why I applied to this contest, is when I know exactly what's wrong. So I get a video from a customer, and I can see a problem, and I get a call from the customer saying, hey, there's this thing going on, I sent you a video. And I say, yes, I know, you have to change that PCB. This means that I already know what the problem is and it's no longer interesting. So yeah, I was looking for new challenges and that's what got us here. We visited Klura today and it was really interesting to have a talk with the CEO, Vainius. And what they do is, I actually find it amazing, the whole viewpoint from the ecological perspective. It's really groundbreaking and it's really a solution for a water shortage problem in the world, which not many people are aware of or are interested in at the moment, but it's there. We can't neglect it. So that was really interesting and impressive. I guess we both, and Vainius as well, really like the parks, all the green areas. There's a lot of those. And Turku itself is very convenient and beautiful, yeah. And the surrounding nature is actually one of the things that brought us to Finland, because we really like nature and you have a lot of it here.
Our visit to Zepnickaite was amazing. We had a really good time there, not only looking at the nature, but also in sauna.
Yeah, and in the sea.
And some of us in the sea also.
Yeah, okay, me.
Yeah, you.